Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the object that already has the effects you want. In the Properties panel, check the Effects section to see drop shadows, inner shadows, blurs, or multiple fills. Once done, make sure you're on the correct layer or the main component so you copy the authoritative style. You can select multiple effects by clicking the effect name, hold Shift to select several. This guarantees you copy exactly what you need rather than an overridden instance. You now copy the properties. Right-click and choose Copy Properties, or use the Edit menu. Figma may also support a keyboard shortcut depending on your setup. Once copied, select the target layer where you want the effects applied. Paste properties to transfer fills, strokes, and effects together. This preserves effect order which affects visual result. If you only need effects, use copy/paste copy properties, then paste properties, and immediately undo any unrelated changes you don't want to keep. You finish by pasting properties onto the target and then verifying the look. Make sure layer order, blend modes, and effect opacity mirror the source. Small differences change visuals. If effects didn't transfer, check that you copied from a compatible layer type and that the target isn't inside a mask or an overridden instance. As a troubleshooting tip, detach the instance or ungroup the target, then reapply properties. That resolves most nesting and component override issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.